Simplify 4 over x squared minus 4 minus 1 over x squared minus 3x plus 2. Let's look at the solution. So given 4 over x squared minus 4 minus 1 over x squared minus 3x plus 2. We want to simplify this. To simplify this, we need to know the identities we are dealing with. So the first identity is what we are having here, x squared minus 4. If you are not able to identify this, it gets you stuck as to what to do next. So you should be able to identify this as difference of two squares. This is a quadratic trinomial. You should also be able to identify this as a quadratic trinomial. So we proceed as 4 over x squared minus 2 squared plus 2 squared to give us 4 minus 1 over this as a quadratic trinomial. So quadratic trinomial is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. So with this, a is 1, b is minus 3, c is 2. Now we identify two numbers, so our AC from this equation is 1 times 2, which is giving us 2. Two numbers, when we multiply, we get 2. When we add, we get minus 3, which is the coefficient of b. Now, what are the factors of 2? I have 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. These are the factors of 2. With this, which of them add up to give us minus 3? 1 plus 2 give us positive 3. Minus 1 plus minus 2 give us minus 3. So this is the factor we are going to use. So these two factors are going to replace the minus 3x in the expression. So this becomes x squared minus x minus 2x plus 2. Now they are minus because the factors we had are negative. So we make use of negative. Let's proceed. This becomes 4 over, so x squared minus 2 squared, difference of 2 squared. We said if we're having a squared minus b squared, this is written as a plus b, a minus b. So let's take notes. So with x squared minus 2 squared, this is simply x plus 2, x minus 2. Minus, let's group the terms in the second. So I have x squared minus x being one group, minus 2x plus 2 being another group. We continue. I have 4 over x plus 2, x minus 2, minus 1 over, the common factor here is x, the common factor. So x out. Now x taking out, x squared with x out, so leaving 1x here, minus 1, because 1 times x will give us x. Then to the second group, the common factor here is 2, so 2 out, x minus 1. With this, I have 4 over x plus 2, x minus 2, minus 1 over x minus 2, x minus 1. So now that we have factorized the denominators for both terms, we are now going ahead to solve the question, because we are now going to simplify. Now this is subtraction, therefore to simplify this we need the LCM. Now in finding the LCM for an algebraic fraction, we can't find the common multiples and then take the least. So what we do here is that we multiply the denominators together if and only if they are not the same. So you don't have to repeat a fraction or a term that is repeating in both denominators. In that sense, I have x plus 2, x minus 2 here, x minus 2, x minus 1 over here. So we just need to multiply these two denominators. But I have x minus 2 here, x minus 2 here. You just take 1. So in that sense, our LCM is now x plus 2, x minus 2, x minus 1. Let's take notes. There's no need repeating x minus 2, x minus 2 because it is here and then it is here. So now that we have gotten our LCM, this is an expression. So we divide through by the LCM. We divide through by the LCM. So our LCM of x plus 2, x minus 2, x minus 1. Taking the first term here. So x plus 2, x minus 2, this is being divided by the LCM. So the LCM is x plus 2, x minus 2, x minus 1. So if we divide the LCM by this denominator, we are only going to have x minus 1. Because the x plus 2, x minus 2 will cancel this, leaving this one. So what is left will multiply the 4, becoming 4 into bracket x minus 1. Our minus sign comes here. I have x minus 2, x minus 1. The LCM is going to divide this one again. So x plus 2, x minus 2, x minus 1. So the LCM divides x minus 2, x minus 1. What can we see? X minus 2, x minus 1 is going to take care of x minus 2, x minus 1. What is going to be left with x plus 2? And that will multiply the numerator for this denominator. So it's giving us 1 into bracket x plus 2. But let's multiply what we have here. I have 4 times x will give us 4x minus 4, minus 1 times x will give us minus x, minus 1 times positive 2 give us minus 2. All this over the LCM of x plus 2, x minus 2, x minus 1. For this, let's add and subtract the like terms in the numerator. So this is giving us 4x minus x is giving us 3x, minus 4 minus 2 is giving us minus 6, all over the denominator of x plus 2, x minus 2, x plus 1. For this, the numerator can be factorized because 3 here is also a common factor of 6. So with 3 out, I have x minus 2 inside the bracket because 3 goes into 6 too. All this over the denominator of x plus 2, x minus 2, x plus 1. X minus 2 in the numerator, x minus 2 in the denominator. That will take care of each other being cancelled out. So what is left? I have 3 over x plus 2, x plus 1. This is all that is required from you. But before we go, I'd like you to do this in your workbooks as an assignment. Simplify x squared plus x minus 6 all over x squared minus 3x plus 2 multiplied by x squared minus x all over x squared minus 9. Thanks for your time. See you on the next episode.